Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I'm sorry for the sharp sound of my voice. I am so sorry. And some friends do not feel it so bad. So let's have a cup of tea. And this is berries, rose hip, kind of a fruit tea. Let me do it quick before the water get not that hot. Ooh, that looks good. Look at this berry. Okay, should be sufficient. I think it should be good. So this is berry tea with hibiscus. This is hibiscus. It's a kind of flower. The other day we passed by the streets and we saw this beautiful flower. So it's a very common flower. Is that the horchata? No, not horchata. A kind of Mexican drink has this. Are we in the right zoom? Anyway, you cannot see clearly. Let me try. Oh, I can eat it. Without even making into tea. Oh, that is, oh my goodness, so good, this berry. Love it. Put a little bit more so that I can I can eat it. Look at the berry. Wow. This is a blueberry. The real blueberry. Oh, wow. It is real blueberry. Oh, I love it. And I am in the middle of I feel so ashamed of myself. And I feel so sorry for my husband to marry me, doing nothing, contribute nothing for the family. I'm sorry for him. This is a piece of paper. I try to do tea-stained paper, and I use the tea to draw it, and it's not a good idea. It's better to put water first, and then there is a layer of water, and then put tea in. It's suspended and have a more natural feel, such as this one. See, I have some of these, so you can see this is more even, not like this. You can see the line of it, right? This one is better. And okay, here is why I am sorry for my husband to marry me, for my family, for my children to have anyway. Okay, let me tell you why I am sorry. You know what I'm doing? I am drawing Pokemon. I learned to draw Pokemon. And I remember when my son was young, they went to grandparents, and the grandparents printed out all these characters so that they can play. They can learn about it, they can learn of coloring, and I did some coloring for them. So here, anyway, this is what I am doing. Oh no, not this one. Who is this? I forgot to write down the name. Pikachu. I forgot the name. Venusaur. Pikachu. Bulbasaur. I need to write it down. Ivysaur. I do not know the name of this guy. Pikachu. I like this one very much. This is the spirit of it. It's very cool, I feel. Pikachu. I am doing it. Now let me continue to do those Pikachus. I use this recycled paper. Maybe today we can do some palm tree drawing. You see, now I found some gold color. Can you see the gold of it? Look at it. Can you imagine where I found this gold? I'm not telling ya. Now let's enjoy this tea and see how it tastes. Oh, see the blueberry. It's completely risen up because it got water, and from dehydrate to hydrate. Oh, I love this tea. Not very strong. They might put some vanilla, and when I drink it, it does not smell, but when it is dried like this, I can smell. When I open it up, it smells vanilla. Now it does not smell that much. It's quite, although the color looks quite strong, but it's quite mild, very mild. Maybe I didn't put a lot of these berries, but it's very comfortable. I have a philosophy that is, if you want to enjoy tea, drink it mild, not overdo it. The only thing, or the best way, the only way, or the best way, or the most vicious way to destroy tea is to drink it, to drink it very strong, in my opinion. Oh, there is some hidden fruitiness, hidden a little bit sour from, like you eat the fruit, berry fruits, something that unspeakable, something hidden, but beautiful. Oh, it's warm and comfy. I love it. It's very good. There is not too sour. You know, when you put a lot of hibiscus or only hibiscus flower, it has a quite strong acidity, and it's just too strong. But this one has so much berries and very mature berries. These berries are just very good, and rose hip and all this is not so sour, so make it just perfect. I love it. With time, it develops even better. Very, very good. Very good. Let me keep on with my paintings. Okay, so I was thinking of doing a winter unboxing. My husband bought some tea, Kusmi tea. I was about to do a winter unboxing. I went to the kitchen to get that box not opened, but it is already opened. He opened it up. So the honor is his joy to open it up. So you will not have an owner winner unboxing. Anyway, we will do it another time. Maybe we will do a loser unboxing. Some friends ask why you say do loser unboxing. Loser unboxing. So yesterday, as I have nothing to do in my life, I search online and search something unboxing. Why unboxing is why people want to look at unboxing. And then I realize unboxing is such a, they call it hip or something. It's quite a big thing. And there are people buying things to go to, there are people do make living out of unboxing. And some people, I do not know, it's kind of not nice to say. And yeah, they do unboxing. The not nice thing, we will talk another time. Now we only talk about nice things. How about that? So it's a big thing, unboxing. So I searched unboxing. There are people made name out of unboxing. Okay. There are people made a big name out of. Okay, yeah, okay. Ooh, I want to make it nice, but I cannot make it nice. And anyway, this is not supposed to be kept. I am using it. You can see I almost always use exactly the same color. Oh, this is the lead. I break it. I always use exactly the same color. Last time it is the same color, but by a different brand. Some killer, some killer or someone, and this one is different brand. I think the product is there. Just whichever brand, pay me money, I allow you to wear my brand. That kind of mentality. And love this. We cannot do, because this is we cannot change Zoom. We cannot change Zoom. Okay, we will not change Zoom. And yeah, So let's talk about loser unboxing. Loser unboxing is not me being a loser or not, nothing to do with it now. Used to be I was a loser. Other people get sponsored to get an unboxing. Now I start to get a couple of sponsored unboxing product. So now loser unboxing, it becomes a name. I find it quite cute. Then I search loser unboxing. There are how many? A few hundreds, many loser unboxings. And my picture, it's my video. I think I made a name. Nobody used loser unboxing this name. And then I found one video, not my name, not my video, and it's actually one of the viewer, and she said to attribute or homage to Yang Haiying's loser unboxing. I find it so cute. I made a name out of loser unboxing. I'm proud of it. That's a very, very beautiful tea. Okay, now that's the end of a loser unboxing or winner unboxing. We are about to do some painting. Oh, I'm sorry for your time. This is no, I'm sorry. I am not encouraging you to be a good person, to be a successful person, to be a motivated person, to fight with your life, to fight with yourself, to fight with anything, anyone, to be the best of yourself. I am not the best of myself, and I'm okay with it. Anyway, it's windy. I am doing some painting. Yesterday I did some painting. Oh, it's so dirty. Ew. Ew. Yeah. Oh, I need to show you a flower. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, my family, my husband take care of the backyard. So he got me this. Let me see if it is still good. And I said, that is so beautiful. It's been 2 days. Oh, and it's still alive. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, this berry is so good. Wow, look at it. Wow. Okay. Off for my paintings. I think I still have some background paper. I mean the paper with a background color. Where are they? Tears in the sunrise. See, I have this background paper. Okay, let me do it on here. See you later, alligator.